This video will introduce some tips and fixes if your video can't play on iPhone. Case 1. If the videos won't play on apps. Solution 1. Reset the network. Step 1. Go to Settings. Tap General. Step 2. Scroll down and tap Reset. Step 3. Tap Reset Network Settings. After this, you will have to reconfigure the settings before trying to play the video again. Solution 2. Delete and install faulty apps again. The simplest way to fix this issue is by removing the faulty apps and then reinstalling them on your iPhone. To do this, Step 1. Tap and hold any of the app icons until all of them start wiggling. Step 2. Tap Delete from the top left of the icon of the faulty app. Step 3. Tap Delete App to remove the app. Solution 3. Force close the video apps. Force close the video apps on iPhone, and when you relaunch the programs, the app will refresh and play the videos without any flaws. Case 2. If the videos won't play on camera roll. Solution 1. In most times, restarting your iPhone can fix the issue. This is a simple process and doesn't take much time either. To restart your iPhone, Step 1. Go to Settings, tap General. Step 2. Scroll down and tap Shutdown. Step 3. Slide the power icon to the right to shut down your iPhone. Step 4. Restart your iPhone and try playing the video again. Solution 2. Update the latest version. The videos may often fail to play on your iPhone because of the bug of iOS. You can update the operating system to the latest one by using these steps. Step 1. Go to Settings, tap General. Step 2. Tap Software Update. Update your iOS. It is important to note that the download and install option will be present only when an updated version of the iOS is available. Step 4. Restore your iPhone. Restoring your iPhone to its factory defaults removes all the inconsistencies that it may have. Part 2. The best solution to fix videos that won't play on iPhone. The best way to fix the issue with the videos if they are not playing on your iPhone is by converting them to iPhone-specific format using Wondershare UniConverter. These are the steps to solve the issue. Step 1. Open the video converter feature. Step 2. Click Add Files to import the problematic video to the program. Step 3. Go to the Output Format menu, choose the Device tab. Step 4. Choose your iPhone model from the list. Step 5. Choose your file location. Step 6. Click Convert. Start to convert video to iPhone-supported video format. Step 7. Click the converted video in this Finished tab. Then you can play the video on your iPhone. Part 3. How to solve